A bond beyond.
Introducing a whole new way to think about bonding. The 3M On-Demand Bonding System featuring 3M VHB Extrudable Tape in collaboration with Nordson.
This automated system brings your operation the efficiency, versatility, and simplicity to help deliver your customers the next generation of innovation.
Traditional systems come with more complexity. Our simple design, with few components and a small footprint, is just what your operation needs to go beyond efficiency.
Bond substrates within a broad range of part geometries. Fill in gaps, dispense on curved surfaces, and turn corners without wrinkles or adhesion voids.
It can also be laid in variable widths, thicknesses, and profiles to optimize adhesive consumption.
So you can design without barriers. The automated system even gives you the ability to adjust the adhesive to fit the bonding gap. And immediate handling strength means minimal clamping and no waiting or additional processing before moving to the next step.
The automated system even gives you the ability to adjust the bond gap while also providing an air and watertight seal. This eliminates steps from the production process, which improves assembly line efficiency, increases throughput, and delivers long-term value.
Achieve a permanent bond that can still be easily removed when needed, thanks to stretch release technology. Simply pull the adhesive parallel to the bond line for fast and clean rework and component recycling.
The system is engineered to help reduce downtime and residual waste, with less need to purge or change disposable components.
The 3M On-Demand Bonding System, featuring 3M VHB Extrudable Tape, results in superior aesthetics with a smoother, cleaner appearance that fasteners can't match, all while maintaining excellent adhesion performance.